fucking around with some shit.
What's good, YouTube?
What's popping, NFG, man? We are back with another reaction video, man. No cap. And Don McClure, you know, a loyal subscriber. I don't know how long she was subscribed.
I'm gonna guess 4 months.
5. Man, Don's been here since the joint.
I gotta make Dawn a moderator too.
Yeah, no, she's you know, and she got top commenter too, which is crazy. But yeah, she says you're homophobic if you don't react to some Harry Style edits with some blades. So
I thought it was homosexual at first when I read it.
Yeah, you're homosexual.
Yeah.
That would have been funny too, bro. But yeah, so I guess we're not, you know, homophobic. So yeah, well, it's 30K. This video, I could not find a short edit on Harry Styles. I don't know why none of y'all. Look at the title, bro. Harry Styles has turned me on faster than a light switch. What is it, bro? Whoever makes edits, bro, you guys are freaky, bro. But yeah, I'm only reacting to the first 5 minutes of this video, man. Don't get mad at me. I already told you, I posted a poll saying.
But if you do get mad at Judas. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'll take the blame. But I posted a poll. If you guys want a longer 20-minute video, I said tomorrow we'll do 5 20-minute videos. All right. I posted the poll, so make sure you like. You know, the 5 most comment, you know, the ones you want to see, make sure they get the most likes, because those are the ones we have to do. If your video has no, if your comment has no likes,
that's just tough.
That's just tough. We're not doing your 20-minute video, okay? And without ado, let's get into this vid.
Like and subscribe for me.
I'm kind of excited to see Harry's edits. I wonder how much the fans care. Yeah, because you know, you guys are pretty diehard. Man said, give me those Grammys. Damn, bro. Bro.
You don't think I want a Grammy? Oh yeah, 4 of them.
Don't need me on a Grammy. Yeah, Harry's on some goat shit, no cap. I love how the Grammy Award looks though, I'm not gonna lie. I think that's the waviest like trophies. I agree.
Yeah. Donated it though.
It's the family show. Or is
it? Pick up a little bit. Kind of like when you do compilation.
we talked about making it. I'm sorry that you never made it. Pains me just to hear you have to say it.
You guys are tough.
Do the game and played it. It kills to know that you
full of people. I like that.
I see the wires pulling while you're breathing. You knew you had a reason. It killed you like diseases. I can hear it in your voice while you're speaking. You can't be treated.
Okay, we're barely seeing the photo though.
Yeah, I know, man. Just putting a hella blur on that shit.
Yeah.
That's kind of whack, bro. I like the song though. No, they're just talking. I love the same shit, bro.
It's not. Yes, man, that's some bullshit. Stop by. But you need to see the photo.
When I tell you this man is
That
so
was a
fine.
5'6".
When I tell you this man is scrump dilly-icious. He make me wanna. Oh God.
Oh God,
I feel it was kind of tough for the second one. That's actually tough, yeah.
This is where he's at his best with that hair.
With the short hair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I appreciate the gesture though.
Yeah, for the no, I appreciate the
But
process.
it was not
you know.
swaggy. It just
Yeah, the hair wasn't that swaggy though. Yeah. Yeah, that's what he did.
everything slow mo is a first shot. Because this.
Is that a quote now?
Yeah. So the amount of repeats on this is crazy.
Yeah, I know. The repeat, yeah. Edits are okay. I've seen like one really good one, or two. I mean.
Scripted, you gotta chill on it.
Yeah.
How many times have we seen it?
For the repeats, you know?
Yeah. There's a way to do the repeats, and it's not this way.
I knew exactly what to do, but in a much more real sense, I had no idea what to do.
Are you running those? Suit, no shirt under?
No. Just the blazer. I don't know. That's a drip I don't
Oh yeah, blazer, no shirt.
No, I like the whole like fit of it. You know what I mean? I think the only thing I do that's not like formal is just like I have it unbuttoned. I feel like I wouldn't get I won't always have a tie, but like other
Are
than
you
that,
wearing suits often?
occasionally, you know, like if I'm feeling like it's an important day, you know, put on a suit. But not just like.
That's edit.
I've got feathers in my hair. I get high on hydroponic weed. Flash connections I get down to be poetry. I'm a Brooklyn baby. I'm a Brooklyn baby.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique.
You talking about Harry? I don't know
I
about
don't
that.
know. I think they just used that clip. to
Yeah,
just-
to describe Harry, but it
Yeah.
definitely wasn't about Harry. Anyways, man, let us know what you guys thought of the video, man. If you do want to react to, long edits, plus 20 minutes, I told you.
Girthy edits.
Yeah, go on to into our, the
Pause.
post I made. Make sure your comment gets the most likes, and we'll react to the 5 videos that have the most likes.
You gotta get the likes though, like call a family member,
Share
make
the
new
vids,
accounts,
yeah.
share the vids,
Gotta
post
do-
on your story. Guys, it would really help if blah blah blah. Put
Yeah.
in your group chats, everything.
You do that, and we're gonna be out. So.
This was the last video, by the way. So peace.